Dude, what the hell is going on YouTube? Like, everybody is strapping a camera to like a fish or like some kind of aquatic animal. Freaking Fish Whisperer strapped a GoPro to a turtle. Monster Mike strapped one to a big ass grass carp. Freaking Josh from Pig Patrol strapped one to a catfish. Some of these weird surfer dudes strapped one to an alligator. Like, what the hell's going on, dude? They're all getting so many freaking views though. Like, it. That's what we're doing today, dude. You game?
I'm game, man.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, so we are going to catch a carp and strap a GoPro to it. Now this whole plan pretty much rides on us actually catching a carp, so that's what we're out here trying to do. We got two different kinds of baits. We're going to try some corn, we're going to try hot dogs, because Mark actually caught one on a hot dog here not too long ago. I've caught a ton of carp in here on corn. It is like super kind of busy. It's actually not as bad as it was when we first got here, but there's like paddle boats and there's people waiting in line to get on the paddle boats and stuff. You know, it's a nice summer day and it's Sunday, so it's kind of expected. If we catch one of these carp, we're gonna strap the GoPro to it, let it go. I'm gonna just tie like 60-pound braid basically to my GoPro, so hopefully I get it back. If not, then this whole thing's pretty much for a waste. I think, was that wind or?
No, you got hit.
You sure?
Yeah. I seen how cool my others.
Are you sure? Might be getting hit, but it's really windy, so I don't know. But yeah, stay tuned. So I've always caught carp here though since I was a kid.
Oh, are you kidding me?
A little bass.
Right off the bat.
There's a lot of those little guys in here. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure how we're gonna strap a GoPro to this thing. I got this head mount and I got a little session on it. This lighting is terrible. We are going to try to somehow rig this to where it slips onto the carp. I'm not really sure how yet. We'll deal with that when we get there, I guess. My corn just got picked up, and so is yours. Shit.
Mine's on.
Yeah.
Mine's on. Mine's on.
You want me to get it, or you want it?
He's just playing with it. Let him fuck with it.
Mine just went too. They both were gonna.
This one's still on.
Yeah, get him.
Hold on. Let him go.
I think it scares me about the corn or the hot dogs is they gotta really eat it. Don't miss her. Oh my god, you didn't tighten it, bro. He's probably gone now. You didn't tighten it.
I got excited, I thought I did.
Man. Just thread the little corn on the treble hook like that. That's all there is to it. I like to chum a little bit too. Not too much though, or they won't eat your bait. Let's give it a little flip.
Feel big?
I was not recording for the hookup, guys, because I thought the wind was taking my line, and then I realized it was a freaking fish. Should be a carp. This is on the corn. Got the drag a little too tight. Oh, I got the drag way too tight. I don't want to lose her.
I'm gonna try and get that.
There we go. Feels pretty big. Oh yeah, it got big. Dude, I thought the wind was taking, because it was so, that huge gust of wind came. Look at her running. Oh, she's pissed. Pretty good size. Running at me now. Wish I would have had that all on camera. It was just so nutty. Like the wind picked up like crazy and it took off. And I was like, man, that wind's like spooling me. And then I'm like, wait, this is a fish. On the corn. Not too big, but oh, it's not bad. It's good, good size for trying to strap a GoPro to her. Okay, now we gotta figure. Oh boy, that's pretty good size common. Got that. Hey, put her like in the net in the water. You know what I mean? I gotta figure out how the hell we're gonna do this.
No.
Just don't let her jump out. No idea how we're actually gonna do this. If we can just kind of thread it.
Yeah, thread it. Kind of get it like, you know how like you would snap a rubber band around your wrist?
Yeah.
Get it. You get it in the water. I'm gonna get the
Oh no, we gotta tie it first. So give her some water, give her some water. This is so stupid. Make sure you tie this good. Is it on there good? We can't lose this. No pressure. I should have tied it in case it goes wrong. I can blame myself. Alright.
We're gonna open the bail. Bail's open. Are you recording?
I'm scared. I hope this holds. Let her do her thing. It's a little crooked, but it'll be all right. Alright guys, so we let her out there, she's doing her thing. I don't want to let her swim around too long because I don't want to lose that GoPro. Hopefully it's still attached to her. It was a little crooked, but it should be alright. People like staring at us, wondering what the hell we're doing, probably calling the cops. It's not really swimming good, which makes me wonder if she just somehow got that off. But we're tied to the GoPro, so if she did get it off, we should at least get the GoPro back.
Yeah, that was the idea. We want the GoPro more than the fish.
Some people are probably going to give me shit and be like, you're hurting the fish, but nah, the fish will be fine. Wind is making us rough. All right, I think I'm going to reel it in, maybe. There's still fishing on there.
Coming in sideways.
Worked out way better than I thought it would. Fish is just pissed there. GoPro's still on, it's still on. Very good. So dumb. Let's let this poor fish go.
Sorry,
I know, I am.
it's for the views.
I'm gonna revive her in the net a little bit, make sure she's good. Yeah. She'll be okay. Let's revive her. Yeah, she'll be okay. It's just a slime coat. It knew something wasn't supposed to be there, so it was attacking it like how our immune systems do. Carp are pretty hardy. I definitely wouldn't do this to a bass though. We're gonna let her revive. I think she's gonna be fine. That's what that is. It's like an immune system response to like a foreign object. It's like, what the hell's going on here? So it produced extra slime. You know what I mean? Alright, we're gonna let you go, girl. I'm sorry. Blame Fish Whisperer. He's the one who started this. There she goes. So that's definitely the weirdest thing I've done. I'm usually like don't want to be part of the crowd, but everybody's been doing this. Definitely kind of cool because like we'll get to see that underwater footage and get to see like what these fish actually like see when they're down there. I think it was a success. What do you think, dude?
Fuck yeah, it was.
Oh, yeah. It is always so damn windy when I'm trying to film. I kind of can't believe how well that actually worked out. I just got back. I've already looked at the footage. Two things I've noticed that I did wrong. One was that the water was a little bit too muddy. You can't really see much. I mean, it was still pretty cool. You could see it swimming. At one point, some minnows passed over it, but a little too muddy really to really see what was going on. And the other thing was I should have had the camera angled down a little bit more so you could see more of the fish, but it was still pretty cool. If this video does well, I might do it again in some clear water now that I know how to do it and everything. I was really worried I was going to lose the camera. That's why I used a Session instead of one of my better GoPros. I did feel bad for the fish, I'm not gonna lie. She got a little slimed up around where the GoPro strap was around her. She looked good. I'm sure the fish is fine, but I hate kind of stressing fish out like that. You know, it's just a common carp and it was just at a small public pond that's full of those things, but I still kind of feel a little bad about it, so I don't know if I'll do it again, but I would like to do it with some clear water because it'll be way cooler footage. But other than all that, I am deeming today a success. I had a mission. I set out to achieve something and it worked. So everything kind of went as planned. Definitely my first time ever doing something like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.